Good morning, everybody. Buddy here at Bert's Garage. This is the passenger seat. Finally got the back section, which is here. One piece was broken here, right where the release is for the back, and I re-welded that this morning, waiting for that to get a little better. Then I'm gonna put a little paint on it and get the seats back in. Like I said, this is the passenger seat. I think it's from a newer MG. I think it's from like a '77. There was a few things different. I had to make a few changes. So we're going to get that thing back in. I got the railings on. I got them greased, and let's walk over to the car, and I'll show you where it's going to go. This is the holes that it